Hey everyone, what's up? I haven't vlogged on this channel in a while just because I've been busy with the videos, but just on my main channel, I feel like I'm neglecting you guys, which sometimes I do. Which, it's not a good thing, is it? Sometimes I wish I didn't make a second channel, but a lot of people are like, you only have 120 subscribers, like, why would you make like 2 channels like all the other famous YouTubers? It really wasn't that. It's just I wanted my main channel to be focused on technology, and I wanted my second channel to, be whatever I wanted to post on it. Because people, get mad if you, say, ooh, my channel's technology, but then if I'm posting this, they're like, why are we watching this? So, yeah, I'm uploading a video right now. It's the Apple's new Magic Trackpad, improved IMAX, and more. 1 minute remaining. That's cool. And you can go watch that video by clicking here. Actually, click my hand. Click my hand to go and watch that video because it's some awesome stuff. Click it, click it. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to say hello, and actually I wanted to show you something really cool because I made a Daily Booth about this, and if you're not following me on Daily Booth, there's a link in the description, and if you don't have an account, go make one. You just take photos and share them with people. Well, I was working at my desk, and we had this paperweight, and it has sand in it, to weigh it down, and when you shake it, it makes a fun noise. And I was trying to edit a video, and I was editing, and then I was like, oh my god, so addicting. So that, I don't know, that was just something cool that I wanted to share. So yeah, I will see you guys later.